Today we are going to discuss the ultimate weight loss and fitness tracker. Um, I have uploaded it on the on my Etsy shop, and it's a very useful tracker for those who want to lose weight and get fit. It has multiple tabs, from welcome tab to body measurement, fitness tracker, workout planner, my recipe book, meal planner, grocery shopping list, database, everything. Let's start it. Uh, I will give you a complete brief of this complete setup, how to use it, how to get best out of it. First of all, uh, it's the ultimate weight loss tracker. Here, I have successfully lost 2 kg weight till date. Automatically show up. First of all, you need to write the name. For example, you're a male or female. For example, I'm a male. My name is John. Uh, I will change it. Male. My age is 26. See, all the icons get changed. I live in street, city. You can write it. The country, your country. All right. How active I am? Yeah, I am sedentary, very active. I am very active. All right. Here you need to enter all the your uh, start, weight, height, chest, the complete measurement of your body, and here is the goal, what you want to achieve with it. The units, you don't need to do anything here, and you need to select the units from here: kg, pounds, stones, kg. Height, uh, height will be in inches or centimeter. So simple. Next is the start date. Start date on we are starting it on like today, 26 April. Goal is till the end of this year, 31st December. You can select any other date as well. Uh, Meal planning settings in it is year 2026. Currency, whichever currency you want to select of your own country. Like I have selected euro now. Weekly grocery budget is you can add anything like uh, 200 or 100, so it is up to you. Daily calorie budget is intake is how much and what is the expenditure, what you want to set the expenditure of that thing. So simple. Intake is I can say 1200, and I will expand almost 700 calories. Body measurement tab. Here you need to enter all the detail again, the start date. BMI will be shown for men. This is the formula. Body measurement, as you have written in the this in this tab, this will automatically show up. Goal measurement is this. Start measurement is this. Then the BMI is this. BMR, basal metabolic rate is this. Body fat percentage is this much. Fitness goal achieved 0 till now. 14% is the weight loss progress. Body fat percentage is this. So that is all. Next is the database. First of all, you need to change, edit, or do anything with this database. It is up to you. These are the badges. You want to change the design of any badge, you can change it. Male, female, icons are there. You can change the icon, how icon. Everything is there, but it is up to you. You can change it. US dollar. This one especially meal planning database. Here, you can change as per your country. Fruits, meat and seafood, frozen, and dairy and eggs, bakery. It is up to you. Measurement units you can change, edit or change anything, cooking icons, etc. Here are the codes which I have told you in the motivation section. These will appear. You can change up to your taste. Then is the fitness tracker. In the fitness tracker, all data will automatically show up. How much you gain, how much you lost, everything will be there. How this will appear? This will appear by this. This body measurement log is there. For example, you started in April 2026. You have entered all the data which was entered here or in the welcome tab in fitness tracker. After a month or 2 months, for example, first log I made here uh, in for example I made in June. I will make in June 2016. Like my weight is I lost 3 kg. It is 187 now. Your height is same. And the chest 42 was initially. Now it is 41.8. Biceps, you can change all the data here. This is actually a log. It is up to you to change everything. In the remarks, you can write anything. You can add any other log as well. Like in June, in the start of, for example, July 2026, maybe it is now 496. Height is same, just is 14.7. Biceps are 14 and 2, 14.4. Right left equal 14.2. Tummy is now 36. Waist is 34.9. Hips are now 42. High. See all the progress. Weight of progress. Short is short. 10%, 10%. Everything. High 24. 24. Calf left 15.7. 15.7 now. So all the data will show up here. You are in the second spa day. See, weight loss progress is overall 11%. In the current, this is the goal of weight, height, chest, everything. And current is this. This will automatically show up. Your progress will be shown in each and every body part. Here is again motivation. Motivation, small daily improvement are the key to striking long-term results. And I have lost. I have 249 days left to hit goal. All right, badge on is this. Here, you see, height is 61.2, current weight is 186, chest is this, everything will automatically show up with the icons. If you select the female, these icons will change. Like, see, I simple change the female, so these icons will change. Weight in kg is, weight goal is this, actual weight is a little bit going down. We have made 3 logs, so BMI is slowly getting down. Then is the workout planner, whatever you want to select. Like these are the notes. Week start date. First of all, you need to select the week start date. Like it's today, 26 April. So running 1.5 kilometers. You can add anything. Warm up for warm up, weightlifting, cardio. You can add. It is up to your choice. You what you do in the gym. You can add a picture as well. 280 calorie loss. How much calories burned as per the exercises, cardio, everything. The complete week plan. It is the week plan actually. Workout plan. Workout calendar. Here you can see here is the workout log. On which day you have attended the gym. You have done some workout in April 2026 because you select the month. It is April 2026. Mm, Here you can enter the log, workout log, how much you have done, like three workout session has been done. 19 was leg day, biceps day, chest day, total calories 900 burns. See, workout session have been done. I have worked out 3 times in the month. I have burned 900 calories this month. So this will automatically show up. Then is the my recipe book. First of all, the grocery inventory. You need to enter all the data here. Um, Potato, egg, mutton, fish. You can add like uh, uh, some vegetables, beans, recipients. This is in stock or to buy. It is in stock. All right. And here the breakfast recipe. You will click on this my recipe book. First recipe. You can select the. Uh, you can make all the recipes as per your choice. Lunch recipe, the snack recipe, dinner recipe, dessert recipe. It is up to you. With all the recipes of lunch, the snacks, breakfast, dinner, dessert, etc. You can make up to 20 recipes uh, in every meal. All right. Then is the tab meal planner. In the meal planner, first of all, these are actually the weekly. Workout planner is weekly. The meal planner is weekly. First of all, you need to select the week start date. It's 26 April. Here, all the stocks, all the things which you have entered in the my recipe book will appear here. Here you need to enter the recipe like which you have consumed. In the breakfast you consumed recipe 1. In the lunch you have consumed recipe 3. In the snack, everything you will enter it here. Then serving, it was a serving of how many persons. Then the calories, uh, you need to enter the calories as well. Then on second day, Monday, April 27, you will enter all the data. It is a meal planner. You can uh, do it in your own time. Then now as you have made all the selections, you have planned the meal, the recipe book is complete. So now comes to grocery shopping list. In the grocery shopping list, in the grocery shopping list, In the grocery shopping list, you can see you need to make the automatic shopping list. First of all, these potato, egg, mutton, chicken, fish, which you have entered in the recipe book will appear here. You need to enter the quantity what you are buying. Automatic shopping list. For example, I am buying 2 kg. No, not 2 kg. These are egg. So I am buying 10 pieces egg from. I bought it from Costco. Dairy and eggs. It is the category. Category will auto appear. Mutton. I have bought 5 kg from Kroger. Then out of stock shopping list will auto appear. This sign is for out of stock. So this you have to buy from a kg, and the other shopping list is laundry detergent. These are overall from meal planner and recipe book. These are overall the ingredients which you have with the status, and these are in stock or out of stock or in to buy. Then comes to the grocery expense tracker. Here you will see what all expenses have been done. Like, see, there is nothing to do for you to do here. You simply need to select the uh, month. It is March or April or whichever month you are right now. Do not edit these tables. These will automatically appear the complete from January daily grocery bills from January to complete year. For year, these will automatically show up here. Expense log. You need to enter all the detail here. What you are expanding, what you are buying. Again, the motivation. This motivation cell is there for you to learn. This is the expense tracker. In January, budget was this. You have actually consumed nothing. In February, budget was this. 100 consumed. March, this much, this much. Grocery budget overall 5,214. And total expenses till now, till date has been done 420. Left hand budget this much. Top expense 200 euro. Debit, total top payment method was debit card. Grocery store visits. 3 grocery stores visits have been done. Like see, grocery store wise expense distribution is there. Average monthly expense 35, maximum one time spend 200, 140, average per visit expense. A good rule of thumb is to keep expenses under budget. Spend over budget, 100 euro has been spent over budget. Longest trip 52, the maximum grocery brought from this store. Total payment method was debit card. See, average monthly grocery expense up 35 euro. All the data will show up here. You can check it from here as well. In the selected month, March, week in week 2, you have spent 200 euro. Here, a debit card 200, Walmart, all the data will automatically show up. So in the database, I have already discussed, you need to enter all the data. So that's it.
Ladies and gentlemen,